Okay, you can see I got a little bit of what do you call it, canvas wrapped around those stanchions with some duct tape holding it all together. Probably not perfect, but it's going to be better than an unprotected metal stanchion up there against the shitty old tarp. Apart from that, everything is holding together pretty well. This tarp had a fucking shitty garment that blew out last year, but that actually held too, which I'm pretty happy about. There's a little bit of give in these tied-on ropes. I didn't stitch it together, so to speak, super tight, and I think that might be the way to go. I got a cockpit cushion up here under the boom hardware, or rather over the boom hardware, to protect the tarp from it, and that seems to be holding real nice and steady, which I'm glad to see. Boom tent's looking good, rather spinnaker pole tent's looking good. Every place where I tied it seems good. It seems to be holding steady, and I'm happy for now. It's got a long winter to get ahead of us. It's only January, what, 10th, 11th, whatever the fuck.